Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete games from your PlayStation 5 using your iPhone, and this is really easy to do. Now, what we want to get is the PlayStation app on our iPhone, so go over to the App Store, go to the bottom right and go to Search, and then go to PlayStation app on the top here, and then search for it. Scroll on down and get this application. Then open it up once you have it downloaded and sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. This is the home screen. Now on the way bottom, tap the little icons and go to the game library. Under here, there's going to be a small little button just under your friends list right here where I'm scrolling up and down. A small little circle. Just tap this and this is going to bring you to your console storage. I have an M.2 SSD in here. I can see this as well as my console storage. And I need to go ahead and delete a game. So I have more space to download other games. So maybe, I don't know which one I would want to delete. Maybe No Man's Sky, or let's go to this Resident Evil Village. And then select it, and then go to Delete Game, and delete it. And it's working on it. This might take a moment. Resident Evil Village deleting. Now, I'm 9,000 miles away from my PlayStation 5, so it might take a while for me. And I don't think my PlayStation 5 is in rest mode, so might have some issues if you're not close by, or if your power went out. So just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi and you're relatively close, and you shouldn't have a problem. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Tech.